If you've been scrolling online looking for affordable denture solutions, chances are you've come across the Minceetbien Silicone Reline Denture set. At first glance, it looks promising. Medical grade silicone, soft, flexible, and supposedly able to give you a natural smile right from home. Sounds almost too convenient to be true. And that's where things start to get concerning. The deeper you look, the more red flags show up. The product is advertised as having a unique design, yet nearly identical versions are scattered across the internet under different names. Same pictures, same descriptions, just swapped salt labels. That usually means one thing: a mass-produced product being recycled across questionable websites. When a company can't even keep consistent branding, that alone should raise eyebrows. Then come the customer reviews, and that's where things really take a turn. Many buyers claim they didn't receive anything close to what was promised. Instead of a high-quality silicone denture set, people reported receiving flimsy plastic pieces that looked and felt like Halloween costume props. Some even said the items looked repackaged or used, which is disturbing considering this is something meant to go in your mouth. And it doesn't stop there. A lot of customers believed they were paying around $39 only to discover charges closer to $57 or $59 on their bank statements. No clear warning, no transparency. Pair that with customer service that barely responds or stalls when you ask for a refund, and frustration grows fast. Even those who managed to get a refund said it was only partial, despite the advertised money-back guarantee. With so many people sharing the same negative experience, some even going as far as reporting the company, it becomes nearly impossible to ignore the pattern. The product may look like a budget-friendly solution, but the risks far outweigh any potential benefit. Your smile is not something to gamble with. When it comes to dental products, especially ones meant to fit inside your mouth, quality, safety, and professional guidance should always come first. Be cautious, stay informed, and choose products that are truly trustworthy and medically approved. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.